Sometimes we struggle to put together healthy dinners. Here is a motivation to make right choices on health. Listen to these affirmations whenever you are doing meals. Prep to encourage a healthy dinner focused on reducing carbs and increasing fruits, vegetables, and protein. I celebrate the vibrant colors of my vegetable-packed plate. Each bite of lean protein fuels my strength and vitality. I delight in the natural sweetness of fresh fruits at dinner. My meals nourish my body and uplift my spirit. I savor the crunch of fresh veggies with every bite. I am mindful of my choices, choosing health and happiness. Each dinner is a chance to explore new flavors and textures. I enjoy cooking with love, creating meals that nourish my soul. My body thrives on wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. I feel energized and alive after a delicious, healthy meal. I embrace the satisfying fullness of fiber-rich foods. My plate is a rainbow of fruits and veggies, bringing joy to my dinner. I take pleasure in experimenting with herbs and spices. I am grateful for the nourishing ingredients I choose. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish my body with love. I find joy in preparing simple, healthy dinners. I listen to my body and honor its needs with every meal. I enjoy the satisfying taste of roasted veggies and grilled proteins. Each healthy dinner brings me closer to my wellness goals. I feel light and energized after a nutritious meal. I celebrate my progress toward healthier choices. I am proud of the meals I create that support my goals. I invite joy and creativity into my cooking process. I nourish my body with delicious, balanced dinners. My commitment to health is reflected in every bite I take. I appreciate the diversity of flavors in fruits and veggies. I am a champion of healthy eating, fueling my best self. My healthy choices empower me to live my best life. I honor my body by choosing food that makes me feel good. Enjoy your healthy dinners.